What if your fleet's performance wasn't limited by the weather? What if your power source was safer, stronger, and built for the most demanding jobs? At Bonnen Battery, we engineer the future of power. We are a leading provider of advanced battery solutions, dedicated to innovation and reliability. Introducing our game-changing 96-volt sodium-ion battery. With its breakthrough low-temperature technology, it operates flawlessly from a freezing -40 to a scorching 60 degrees Celsius. Built with incredibly safe sodium-ion cells, it guarantees no fire and no explosions. And with a massive cycle life of over 8,000 cycles, it's an investment that lasts. Worried about harsh conditions? The rugged, IP67 rated casing makes it completely dustproof and waterproof. It's engineered to conquer any environment you throw at it. It's the ultimate power solution for your electric trucks, tractors, transport vehicles, and forklifts. Boost your efficiency, reduce maintenance, and power your operations with confidence. Power your progress. Visit Bonnen Battery to get your free quote today.